van mij. That's van mij.
Okay, go.
Sy klim uit die kus uit.
What? Repeat, please.
Please, she climb out of the kus. Come through quickly to the place, please.
Oh my gosh. Go back! Go back!
She just came out. The lights went off, everything went off. She knocked.
She knocked.
I promised you, it sounds like...
Yeah.
Then the lights going down, everything.
Come inside.
There's no way this guy is going back into that spooky place.
Good evening, guys. It's Benjamin from Max Adventures. I'm here with Jonathan in Klerksdorp still. And you will never believe who we found. We found Neil Now, the actor that was in a movie with Leon Schuster, South Africa's prankster and movie producer and also movie writer and songwriter, for those of you who didn't know it. Now, Neil was just telling me about he was doing an interview for a job as a security guard that he found in a local newspaper. He went for an interview 2 times at Spur, and he never knew, not once that he even saw Leon Schuster, but he never knew it was Leon Schuster that's pranking him. So Neil, over to you now. So, you say that you found your interview and everything in the newspaper and you called them and that they contact you back.
Yes.
And then they said to you that you must come for an interview.
Yes.
Wasn't it strange that you went to Spur and not the office?
No, in Spur.
Yeah.
By the tables. And I did the interview there and they said to me, I must come for a second interview. And I came there for the second interview and they took me away.
Okay. And they took you away to where? On the second interview, did they take you away on the second interview? Or did they give you a time and date for the second interview?
Yes, they did give me a date and time on the first interview. And by the second interview, they took me away with the vehicle to the place.
Okay, so when you were in the vehicle, did you know where you were going?
No.
Were your eyes closed or something?
No, my eyes was open.
Okay, but you didn't know the road?
Nothing.
Okay, so then you got to this place. What did the place look like when you get there?
I came there, I see it's a room, a small house place, and there was an old man standing with a hat on his head, like a cowboy in a suit. And he said to me, "Hi Neil, are you ready for a night shift tonight, for a job?" I said, "Yes." And he said to me, "You are going to check tonight the jewelry. You're going to look after it." And I went in the room and he showed me. And when I walked into the door and the trailer door, there was a long table. There was Richelieu coffee, tea, everything. He said to me, "You can drink whatever you want." And there was a big table and a chair, and I was ready for the night, for the work. And yes, and the one moment he locked the door, everything, and he said to me, "If you need a toilet, call me on the radio." I said, "Yes, I will do that, definitely." And he shut the door, everything, and I stand and I look in the corner there and I see the coffin and I knew that the jewelry is inside.
So never they told you that there was a body or anything?
No, nothing.
So
only
you were
jewelry.
thinking that you're looking after jewelry, no
Yes.
body with the jewelry?
No, yes, only jewelry.
Okay, and then?
Yes, and I was standing there and all the time when I'm looking at that coffin, I knew he said to me, "The jewelry is inside." And I looked at the table, everything lovely for drink, and I stand and I hear hear the second time. And the third time. I say, what can it be? And I see the lights. It's going like this and going down. And the lights went off. And I thought, yo, maybe the electricity problem or something. And the one moment I open my eyes and I watch at the coffin and I see the door is going open. And a white spooky lady climb out, and as she climb out, I stand still and she say, I want my mom. And I told her, go back, she's safe. And
What were your thoughts the moment you opened your eyes, the electricity went on, the lights went on, and
I
you
was
saw...
thinking the BB board, the electricity board.
Yeah, but what were you thinking the moment when you saw her getting out of the coffin? What was going through your mind? Were you frightened?
Yes, I was shocked. I was looked like a dead body climbing out of the coffin, and I was calling on the radio and immediately for help, and she's climbing out and she says she wants her mom, and I said to her, go back and your mom is safe, and she says, and she making and
Okay, so then after you called for help, how long did it take them to come? How long did it take for help to come to you?
immediately. He came there, he opened the door and he came inside, and
Were you relieved when you saw someone else was coming in by the door and the door was unlocked? Did you feel safe then? Or did you just think to get out of that room?
yes, I was thinking to get out of that room, and then I just see doors going open here, and I saw Louis Schuster.
And when you saw Leon Schuster, what were you thinking?
And then I was thinking, I knew, they took a prank on me and they catch it.
Okay. So then afterwards, you said that you and Leon Schuster went out for some drinks and stuff. You had a nice chat and a nice time.
Yes, I was in a shock, and I went to the bar there and I told Louis Schuster he must give me a glass of clean whiskey.
And did he give it to you?
2 glasses, and I downed it, and I was wiping my face.
Okay, when you went home, how did you sleep that night?
I couldn't sleep. I couldn't sleep for a week.
Did it mess you up for a week long?
Yes.
Okay, so that was quite a shock. That was quite a fright.
That was a shock.
Okay, now if something like that ever crosses your path again, will you do it again?
Definitely I will.
Did you enjoy it at least? Without the shock?
I was enjoying it, but I was so interested for that 1,000 rand after the shift.
At least you got $1,000 out of it.
Yeah, they Linchester gave me.
And imagine if you did it all for free.
Yes.
Just imagine.
Yeah.
Okay. So well, guys, that's our interview with Neil tonight so far. So you guys can enjoy the video with us. I hope you do enjoy the video. We are going to sit here and chat some more to Neil. And I hope you guys like the video. Please remember to subscribe and to like and to share this video if you liked it. Thank you very much for watching, and thank you very much for checking out our channel. Enjoy, guys. Bye.
Hello guys, it's Jonathan here from Maxed Adventures. As you've seen the interview from Neil now, we say thank you to Neil
Great.
for giving us the chance to interview him. Till next time.
Cheers.